The moon is a silent place, or is it not? During the Apollo missions, astronauts picked up unexplained sounds on their radio. Noise from space, or something else? In 1969, the Apollo 10 mission recorded strange space music that perplexed the astronauts. NASA explained it as electromagnetic interference, but some believe it could be signals of unknown origin. Were they just noises or something that science still doesn't understand? Leave it in the comments. Like it and follow me for more mysteries of the universe.